Hi students, Standard 6 English Medium, subject Sanskrit. Today you will learn chapter number 3. Students, here before we go ahead on chapter number 3, you have to know that it's a time of COVID-19, so that's why we have to stay at our home and we have to get studied too. So students, before we start this chapter, we have to keep book in our hand. Means you have to keep book in your hand. So easily you can understand what's the information given in this chapter. Students, I want to give short intro of this chapter. Students, in this chapter you will learn some verb forms, activities, action verb forms. So, and another thing you will learn present tense. Mostly you will get detail about present tense. Okay students, so before wasting of our time, we have to go on this. Next, the title given in your book like this, Karomi, in Sanskrit given chapter number 3. That you can see in your book, students. Here Karomi given. Say students, let's understand title first. Why here me given? Students, here me given means it's known as present tense. It's known as present tense. Okay? Means here in this chapter you will see some present tense verb forms and you will get the intro of present tense Vartman Kal. Okay? So before wasting of our time, we have to go ahead. Students, this type of interface you can see in your book. I am reading, then we will understand it. Translate. Mamo nama Kishorah. Mamo nama Kishorah. Aham Patsalam Gachami. Okay, here given Mamo nama Kishorah. Aham Patsala Gachami. Tatra aham abhyasam karomi. Students, here mama word you can see. Mama means my. Mama means my. Okay. Nama means name. Kishorah means Kishore. Okay. And another line, second line, aham. Aham means I. Aham means I. Okay. And gachami word you can see. Why? Because here I you can see. Aham. Aham, if you will see at that time me have to use. So aham patsalam gachami. Tatra aham abhyasam karomi. Tatra means there. Aham means I. Abhyasam karomi. Abhyas means study and karomi means doing. So the whole translate happened. That's we will see after this presentation. Mama nama Kishorah. Mama means my, Nam means name, Kishora means Kishore, and regular as grammar we will see afterward. First understand words. Aham Patsalam Gachami. Aham means I, Patsala means school, and Gachami means going. Tatra means there, Aham means I, Abhyasam means study, and Karomi means given present tense means doing. So the whole translation happen after that we will see. Next, see Mama nama Khushbu. Mama means my, Nama means name, Khushbu means Khushbu, Aham means I, Pustakalayam means library, and Gachami already we have seen why me happen, because here you can see Aham. Okay, so Aham, if you will see in Sanskrit, then at last in verb form you will see me. So Aham means I, Pustakalayam means library, and Gachami present tense given means going, and properly we will see. Tatra means there, Aham means I, Pustakam means book, and Pathami means reading, doing study also we can write there. So the whole concept of this given in book like this. Let's see it's a translate. The translation happen like this, students. See, first para, Mama Nam Kishore means my name is Kishore. Patsalam Gachami means I am going to school, or I go to school also we can write that, it's okay, right? Third line, Tatra aham abhyasam karomi means I am doing study there, or I do study there also we can write that student. It's the right, not wrong. Okay. Present tense in Sanskrit, whatever you want to do, write it. Another, Mama Nama Kushbu means my name is Kushbu. I am here, Aham Pustakalayam Gachami means I am going to library, or I go to library also we can write that. I read book there means Tatra aham pustakam padhami means I am reading book there also we can write, and I read book there, it is also right. So this way you can write translate of these two para students. Okay. Next on page number 8 you can see one boy, one who is playing ball. So here it's telling that Mama Nama Rajeshah. Okay. Mama 8 number page you can see, and Mama Nama Rajeshah. Mama means my, Nama means name, and Rajeshah means Rajesh. Okay. Mama Nama Rajesh. Understood? Aham Kridanganam Gachami. Kridangan means playground. Okay. And Tatra aham Kridami. Tatra means there, aham means I, and Kridami means play. So the whole concept given here, Mama means my, Nama means name, and Rajesh means Rajesh. Aham means I, Kridami means playing, Gachami means going. Tatra means there, aham means I, and Kridami means playing. So the whole concept given here, Mama Nama Rajesh means my name Rajesh. Afterward we will put properly. Aham means I, Kridami means playground, Gachami means going, means I, playground going, the concept given here. Tatra aham Kridami means there, aham means I, Kridami means playing. The proper translate of these given like this, okay, you have to see. Mama Nama Rajesh means my name is Rajesh. Aham Kridanganam Gachami means I go to playground, or I am going to playground also we can write that. Tatra aham Kridami means I play there. That is the concept here given. Okay, understood students? Next, Mama Nama Maharsrihi aham Matulugruham Gachami Tatra aham Matamaham Namami. Mama means my, Nama means name, Maharsri means Maharsri. Aham means I, Matulagruham means maternal uncle. Students, remember Matulagruham, this word means mama. Okay, in Gujarati we use word mama, and in English it is known as maternal uncle, and Gruham word you can see home. Gachami means going. Tatra means there, aham means I, Matamaham means nana, and that's you can see in the glossary word. Namami means bow down. Okay, so here the concept given, Mama means my, Nam means name, Maharshi Maharshi. Aham means I, Matulugruham means maternal uncle's home, and Gachami means going. Tatra means there, aham means I, Matamaham means nana, and Namami means bow down. Okay, bow down. Next, Mama Nama Rama. Mama means my, Nam means name, and Rama means Rama. Aham means I, Pratna Mandiram means prayer hall, Gachami means going. Tatra means there, aham means I, Pratna Geetam means prayer, prayer, one type of prayer, and Gayami means is singing. The whole concept given like this. Okay, students, let's understand is the translate. See, first Mama Nama Maharsri means my name is Maharsri. Aham Matulagruham Gachami means I go to maternal uncle's house. Tatra aham Matamaham Namami means I bow down to Nana there, or I bow down Nana there also we can write. Tatra aham Matamaham Namami. Understood? Next, Mama Nama Rama means my name is Rama. Aham Pratna Mandiram Gachami means I go to prayer hall. Pratna Mandir, prayer temple. Wrong, students. We have to write like this, prayer hall. Tatra aham Pratna Geetam Gayami means I recite prayer there. So I hope you understood this very well, students. Okay. Next interface given in your book like this. Mama Nama Pravina. Aham Jalasayam Gachami. Tatra aham Tarami. Mama Nama Punam. Aham Bhujnalayam Gachami. Tatra aham Khadami. Mama means my, Nam means name, and Pravinaha. Okay, already we discussed this whole line. in previous way. Aham means I. Jalasaya means, remember Jalasaya means swimming pool, and Gachami means is going. Tatra means there. Students, in Sanskrit there are two words. One is atra. Atra means here, and another word is tatra. Atra means here and tatra means there. So remember this thing here, tatra given. Aham means I and tarami means swimming. Okay. So the whole concept given like mama means my, nam means name, pravina means Praveen. Aham means I, Jalasaya means swimming pool, Gachami means is going. Tatra means there, aham means I, and tarami means is swimming. After we will see translate. Now second see mama nama punam. Mama means my, nam means name, and punam means punam. Aham bhojnalayam gachami. Aham means I, bhojnalayam means restaurant, kitchen no need to write students, restaurant proper word. Gachami means is going. Tatra means there, aham means I, khadami means eating. So the whole concept given, mama means my, nam means name, punam means punam, aham means I, bhojnalayam means restaurant, gachami means is going. Tatra means there, aham means I, and khadami means is eating. So let's understand it's a proper translate. What is the proper translate happen? Proper translate like this: my name is Praveen. I go to swimming pool. I do swimming there. Swimming. Okay. Mama naam Praveen means my name is Praveen. Aham Jalasayam Gachami means I go to swimming pool. I am going also we can write. Tatra aham tarami means I do swimming there. Second. Mama naam Punam means my name is Punam. Aham Bhojnalayam Gachami means I go to restaurant. Okay. Restaurant. And tatra aham khadami means I eat there or I am eating there also we can write. So I hope you understood this very well. Next given like this: mama nama kausalaha. Aham mitram smarami. Aham patram likhami. Mama means my, nam means name, and kausalaha means kaushal. Aham means I, mitra means friend. Students, mitra means friend, and smarami, remember. Okay, remember, I am telling it everywhere. Okay, remember. Smarami means remember, and here students you can see me word you can see in Sanskrit. Okay, so present tense is remembering or is remember. Aham patram likhami means I write a letter or I am writing a letter. That's why also you can write. Next, mama naam Puja. My name is Puja. Aham means I, Chitrasala, art gallery also we can write, and art hall also we can write. Gachami means is going. Tatra means there, aham means I, Chitra means picture, photo, and Pashyami means watch, looking. So that is the concept given here. So let's understand it's a translate. See, what's the translate is there? First, my name is Kausal means mama nama Kausala. Aham mitram smrami means I remember to my friend. Aham patram likhami means I write a letter or I am writing a letter. This way also you can write translation of these 3 lines. Understood students? Next, mama naam Puja means my name is Puja. Aham Chitrasalam Gachami means I go to art class or art gallery also we can write. Art hall also you can write. Tatra aham Chitram Prasyami means I look or I see pictures or photos also you can write. Means any one word you can write. I look pictures or I see pictures, this way. Same way, I look photos, I see pictures or photos. Okay. So the whole line like this: I look pictures there, or this also we can I see photos there. Means any word you can choose that students. So easily you can get it. So the whole translation happen like this. Last and final given in your book. See, mama nama Rupal. Mama means my, Nam means name, and Rupal means Rupal. Aham means I, Nritya Sala means Nrutya. What you can see, students? Nrutya. Nrutya means dance. D-A-N-C. Nrutya means dance, and Sala means class, means dance class we can write. And Gachami, Gacha plus me, present tense following, so that's why he is going. Tatra means there, means I, Nrutyami means dancing. So the whole concept of these 3 lines done as like this. Translation see. Mama Nam Rupal means my name is Rupal. Aham Nrutya Salam Gachha means I go to dance class. Tatra Aham Nrutya means I do dance there. Okay, understood, students? I hope you understood this whole chapter very well. Let's according to this chapter little bit we have to revise. Okay, so easily you can get. I am quickly and fastly doing translate. Okay, you have to keep book in your hand. See the whole concept given in your book like this. Okay, one time repeat, you have to see. My name is Kishore, I am going to school, I am doing study there. Next, my name is Kushbu, I am going to library, I read book there. Next, translate given like this. My name is Rajesh, I go to playground, I play there. Next, my name is Marsri, I go to maternal uncle's house, I bow down to Nana there. My name is Rama, I go to prayer hall, I recite prayer there. Okay. Next, translation given like this, students. My name is Praveen, I go to swimming pool, I do swimming there. My name is Poonam, I go to restaurant, I eat there. Okay. Next, my name is Kausal, I remember to my friend, I write a letter, I am writing a letter. My name is Pooja, I go to art class, I look, see picture, photos there. Okay. Next, last translation like this, students. My name is Rupal, I go to dance class, I do dance there. So I hope you understood this whole chapter, students. You have to write down this, translate in your notebook again and again, so easily you can get it, students. Here I try to write translate, so easily you can understand this video properly. Okay, at last, students, I am telling you thank you. Okay, and you have to take care, and at last also I am telling thank you too.